Welcome to series 5 of the topic Cycloid on the channel called CAD Mr. U. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. The next step now is to draw a construction line from the point, draw a line from P, the intersection of the curve on the circle from P to Z. Enter. This line would be the normal, right? So we can actually extend it. We normally extend it above. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this because we have already established the length of the baseline. So we're gonna put that on the dimension layer. We're gonna lock it. I'm gonna turn it off. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna extend this line. All right. So what we'll do, we'll draw a construction line, and then we're gonna type the type EX extend, and we're gonna click on this, click on that, click, 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 click. All right. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete this line. This is like a fence or a boundary that wanted the line to extend. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to label. We're gonna label this line normal. So we're gonna go single line text. We're gonna turn off object snap. We're gonna select right here. The height, we're gonna let it be 4 millimeters. The rotational angle, we're gonna make it 120. So we're gonna label this normal. All right. What we're gonna do, we're gonna move it down. What we're gonna do, we're going to rotate it. We're gonna rotate it. Base point, we're gonna choose right here. I'm gonna rotate it just like this. All right, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna move it above the line. All right. All right, so this is our normal. We're gonna move it a little bit closer to the actual drawing. All right there. All right, this we're gonna make this a little bit closer like that. All right. All right, so this line, we're gonna put it on the outline here to make it dark one. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna construct a perpendicular at P. We're gonna move P and give it some space from the norm. Right there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a semicircle. So we go turn on object snap, intersection. We're gonna make the radius be 20 millimeters. So we're gonna mark an arc coming all the way around. Okay? Where this arc intersect the normal, we're going to mark two arcs equal to the same radius that we drew a while ago. So we're going to go center, start, end. The center will be here. The radius will be 20. And this is it, right? We're going to do the same thing right here. So we're going to go arc, start, center, end. Radius is 20. I'm going to come like that. Good. All right, we're going to shift it so we can see a little bit clearer to see the last two arcs. So we're going to go again. Start, center, end. I'm going to put it here. We're going to mark an arc, radius 20. I'm going to go like we're going to do the same thing again, radius 20 from this intersection. We're going to go 20. Right, where the two arcs intersect, that would be the 90-degree drawing from P, so we can draw a construction line from there to P. Good. Press enter. Now this line, this line is now the tangent. We're going to put it on the outline there. And what we can do, we can actually extend it. So we're going to extend it to the south. So use the extend command and see if we will be extended. All right, so we type extend, click on it. Right, there it is. Extend it, good. Extend. All right, we're gonna leave it right there. All right, good, enter. All right, so we're gonna extend it to the other side too, and then we're gonna put the label on it. So what we need to do is draw a construction line so that we have a boundary or a fence to extend it to. Enter. So we're going to type the word extend. I'm going to extend it just like, right? Enter. Then we're going to delete the line, all right? Without that line, it cannot extend because there is no object out here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to label here now. So we're going to go single line text. We're going to turn off object snap. We're going to click here as a start point. The height would be 4. Rotational angle will be 30. So we're going to label this tan. Right, and this is it. We are finished for today. So this is our cycloid, the tangent, and the normal, right? So if I was to turn on the construction layer, and then the dimensions layer, this will be the finished drawing, okay? So good job if you got it correct. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. In the next video, we will join the epicycloid, and in the following video after the epicycloid, we will join the hypocycloid. So good job if you got it correct, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next two videos. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of part 5 of the series of videos covering the topic cycloid. We thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be showing you how we smoothen out the cycloid to get a more accurate curve. So we look forward to seeing you in that. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.